Want to turn your home into a cozy vintage dream without spending a fortune? Watch till the end for easy, affordable ideas that'll give your space timeless charm. Hi friends! Welcome back to the channel. If you love farmhouse charm, antique vibes, and that old but gold look, this one's for you. Today, I'm sharing simple vintage home decor ideas that you can start using today. First up, don't skip the thrift stores. Vintage style is all about character, and nothing beats a worn-in picture frame, an old clock, or a classic suitcase stacked as decor. These small pieces instantly add warmth and personality to any room. Next, go rustic. Look for furniture with chipped paint, exposed wood, or distressed finishes. Or try a simple DIY, like sanding the edges of an old table and using chalk paint for that aged look. Perfect for a farmhouse-style vintage vibe. You don't need to redo your whole house. Just add vintage touches here and there. Think an antique mirror above a modern console, or a retro lamp beside a clean-lined sofa. The contrast makes your space feel curated, not cluttered. To make your space feel truly cozy, layer in soft fabrics like lace, linen, and crochet. Stick to warm tones: cream, dusty rose, olive green. These colors make everything feel homey and inviting.